In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a chart directly from Google Sheets into your Google Doc. This is a fantastic way to visually represent your data, making your document not only more informative, but also more engaging. Now, let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring it's both clear and easy to follow. First, open the Google Doc where you want to add your chart. It's important to have your document ready before you start, as it streamlines the process. With your document open, decide exactly where you want to place your chart. Think about the flow of your text and where a visual aid might help enhance clarity or comprehension. When you've chosen the perfect spot, place your cursor there to set your starting point. Next, navigate to the top menu of your Google Doc where you see the options like File, Edit, and View. Here, you'll want to click on Insert. This menu holds all sorts of insertion options for your document, but for today, we're focusing on adding a chart. Hover over the chart option and you'll see a few different choices for inserting charts. Since we're pulling a chart directly from Google Sheets, select the From Sheets option. This will direct you to a window where you can browse your Google Sheets files. When the window pops up, you'll need to select the Google Sheet that contains the chart you want to embed into your document. If you have a lot of Google Sheets, you might find it handy to keep your sheets organized and named clearly, as this will make your chart selection process quicker. Once you've located the right Google Sheet, click on it to open. Now that you've accessed the correct sheet, you'll see a list of charts it contains. Carefully review these to find the one that best suits the data story you wish to tell. Once you've determined which chart to use, click Import. This step is crucial as it links the chart into your document seamlessly. As you complete the final click, the chart should now be visible in your Google Doc at the location you initially selected with your cursor. Take a moment to review its placement and adjust if necessary, ensuring it aligns well with the text and enhances rather than disrupts your document's flow. And there you have it, a straightforward process for bringing charts from Google Sheets into your Google Doc. By following these steps, you can enrich your documents with data-driven visuals, making your information clearer and more compelling to your readers. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Keep practicing, and soon inserting charts will become a quick and routine part of your document creation process.